What's up, brothers? We're playing the hypercharge Unleashed event just because I think. Oh, I got Kaze's hyper. I got Kaze's. I think the hypercharge I want is probably Griff, Kaze, or Amber because I have them. Wait! This is cool! The last time I played a hypercharge event, it was like the first hypercharge event. Oh! It's stronger. I am not smart for that. At least no trophies are lost on the rise. Before I grinded my quest this morning. Okay, give me a good hypercharge. Willow, she got the worst one. Can we, get hypercharge with brawlers we don't have? Because, I mean, if I don't, I might want to get Kenzie's, even though I don't have him. Hearing people's fears. So I just need to place in the top 4, I think. This is the worst gadget. Oh, you're stealing me. How am I this bad? Give me... Okay, Lily's actually is really good. Am I fighting against bots or something? These players suck. Oh, Lily's so good. She just needs more ammo, cause she does really good damage, I mean. Wait, oh my god, this is so good. After God, you have to kill people to get power. Wait a minute, Lily's actually so good. And if you're one of my classmates, and because I know one of my classmates was named Lily, don't think anything weird. Okay, I cooked everyone. I smoked it. We can do the whole thing. Okay, Kaze. Last time I didn't cook. Okay, we're on the Kaze map. Oh, we got a Lily the other. Dabba-dabba-doobie apple bobble lobble doobie gobble 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 glizzy gobble lizzy. Wait, what? Ooh. Wait, why am I getting the boxes? What? Not smart. I'm the world's not smartest person. Okay, Griff, you better be the best one here. If Brawl Reflex can glaze you, I look just what you need. I want it to be Lily, Griff, or Kaze now. No, she's touching me. She's touching me. She's trying to see miss and she tried to touch me, but man. Oh wait, I forgot super could go through walls. I was trying to dodge walls. I'm so lucky. Oh! Ow! Why did I hit that thing? Oh! Oh, I punched it. Oh, only guys can relate to that. Okay, I'm fighting against bots now. This game feels bad. It still hurts. She keeps on texting me. Do I like her? No, definitely. I'm just like definitely. I hurt myself as bad. Ow! I hit my stomach so hard, or whatever. Like my gut. Ow! Okay, we got Lily. We are going to cook. Ow! My stomach and my in between my stomach and leg, it hurts. Don't mind this part. I was lagging and I lost some of the recording, so I just made random noises. Yeah, like that. Like the. It's because I was just bored. So yeah. Ow. Okay, Lily is really good to play as though. Oh my god, why am I so quiet? My stomach hurts. Wait, let me lower the volume so you guys can... My stomach... I hate my stomach. I just wish to know. Hey! Oh, I need to get Lily as a brawler now. My stomach hurts. The hypercharge and the vengeance. You just dying to smoke? Actually, wow. Okay, why do I need 25 battles? Just make it like... Okay, I think I tried all the hypercharges after this. Oh, not Kenzie's, not Kenzie's. Oh. How is this one the better gadget? I hate Kenzie. No, wait, why am I hitting myself again? I'm gonna hurt it again. I'm gonna hurt my stomach again so hard. Like I punched it with the world's hardest fist. Chat, we're cooked. We're cooked. Willow got the worst hypercharge I ever seen in my ding dong gully 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 wasa ding dong dong ding dong dong ding dong gully gully gully. I'm recording this video like at 2 a.m. Totally not like 3. No, I'm actually just recording this like early. Stop. Don't touch us. Lily, don't touch us. When I say touch, that means like don't pinch us into like a corner. Griff's touching them. You can control Griff, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Okay, I think this pretty much counts as a win. We're in the top 4. Griff, stop touching people. Stop touching. Don't touch Griff. Don't touch Griff. Griff, recoup. You're not helping me, Griff. Touch that. Does that better count as a win? Okay. Okay. I need to finish this so I could get a legendary star drop. Cause every time I get a legendary star drops, I get a new brawler. Like I got almost all the epics. Yeah, I'm completely free to play. I only bought, bro, my friends are so pay to win, bro. They buy the Brawl Pass every single time there's one. Like, I mean, not all of them, but this guy who literally just started the game, like, he was free to play. His name was Brawl Stars Gamer, and his name is Kev. That's his Brawl Stars name. Gallet Wise Kev. Bro bought the Brawl Pass every single time. You literally just started. And my other friend, and Connie Casio, the guy I told you just subscribe to. He buys the Brawl Pass every single month, I think. Because every time I look at his account, there's a new Brawl Pass title in his account. Bro, why is my friend so pay to win? I've literally, like, have more trophies and more brawlers than them. Damn, bro. I don't even buy the Brawl Pass. I started in Season 8, but then I quit. But then I saved your life, but then I quit, and then I came back in, like, the start of 2024, and then I quit, and then I joined at the Godzilla event, and then I started keep playing. The first brawler I ever got was Selly. It was everyone's, pretty. What does this gadget do? Oh, he's touching me. He's touching me so much. I got touched. Bro, I'm literally in my room at 8 a.m. saying I'm getting touched. It's crazy, bro. My favorite one so far is the Lilies and Griffs. Cause it sucks. It's literally just her normal. Don't take it up with my account. Dang. If I die, I'm losing. Wait, if I die, I'm losing? Of course I'm losing if I die. How, when I'm recording, I never cook, but once I'm not recording, I can cook. How did you guys like my edits? To kind of say, cause my name is, and I'm sitting in the corner. Sitting in the corner, playing my recorder. Broski, I hate Lily, the brawler now. Okay. After this round, I am going to cut the video real quick because I need to check the time because I'm gonna go sour. Kill. How? Don't hit you. Okay. Be right back. Okay, back. I'm good. I cut that part out because it was just me looking at the time. It's only 8:13. One thing and stuff about me is I actually don't really like playing games on consoles. Besides if they're easy on the console. Cause bro, I just like playing on mobile. But when I play on console, I actually cook sometimes. But like Cuphead and like a few other games on the console I play are really easy to play on console. These are only a... I am so dumb. Why did I do that? I hate Kazuya. She's my least favorite brawler. She thinks he's so cool because he can be gang. Not Kazuya. No one likes you. You're my least favorite brawler. You even suck. You're supposed to be the meta brawler. I can kill you in like one shot. I'm gonna die by Kazuya again because I'm talking smack. Dealer? The gadget? I think I get it now. It doesn't do the poison. It just deals all the damage and that. I'm touched by a willow. Spider willow. A willow. Black widow. The widow. A black widow? What's a black widow? Is it not a spider? I don't even know what I'm saying. I just made her Razor Hyper. I'm actually... Okay. Willow sucked at first, now it's kind of getting good. We're dying because of Kenji sucked. Kenji is the worst brawler I've ever seen in my entire existence. And I quit making my reaction videos because I'm too lazy to put my camera. Oh, I hate this one. Why can I only get one free hypercharge if there's 8? Just at least let me have 2. Understand this shit. Why did I spend all those credits trying to get Kaze? She isn't was that good. Why did I just waste my hyper? I'm not smart. Womp womp, Jerry, you're not cool. Womp womp. Womp womp. Okay, Amber, you think you're cool. You think you're cool. You cannot beat the Kaze. Because he's acid like me. Oh wait, that gadget's actually really good. I think I chose the right choice. Why am I not smart? Just make it like 20 battles. If Griff gets me, he's a weirdo. Come on, Kenji. I'm your wife. In the Brawl Stars lore. Come on, Gus. You know you're friends with Fever Bass. Okay, it's over. I can already win. Can he just double killed up? Nah, I got killed by the Gus. Okay, 18 more battles. I can actually get this today. These rounds actually go really fast. Okay, another one I want is actually Gus's, because Gus is actually a pretty good mid brawler. This is dangerous. He should be in like A tier. He can force fight the bot. Can't even do that. Attack, where is it? Oh my god, I'm not smart. Of course you're not smart, because you're Derek. You have no brain. I'm a big bag. Oh my god, I'm getting killed. Behind you. Oh, she thinks he's cool, try to burn a child alive. I'm literally a ghost though, so womp womp. Double kill Derek. Ooh, double kill Derek. No one can beat me. Okay, Gus is Sigma. And he's hyper again. Wait, why'd I try to shoot her? Isn't that the healing one where you can kill me, guys? I'm already over. Womp womp. Ah, okay, this game mode's actually super easy. No, I was gonna record my Mega Pig, but I literally got that thing. No one even competed. 4 people. I mean, that who would want to play it if it's just thing? Okay. Brawl Stars, I would want to make a complaint. I'm friends with the owner. We all know that. Because, yeah, and I'm friends with multiple people in my club. But they weren't online that much, so she's the owner now. And then she made this guy a vice president. And since she was already the owner before, she's the vice president. But I am only a senior. Why is that? I'm the only one in my group who has the highest rank right now. Because the rank we started, right? And I'm the highest trophy. I'm online every single day for 107 days in a row. And I always do the Mega Pig, even though I don't want to. I never even pressure anyone. But I only say, guys, can you do the Mega Pig if you... I'm always like, guys, can you please do the Mega Pig if you can? Guys, once you have time, you see, look, he even called me a tryhard for doing the Chester challenge. I'm so mad, bro. Okay, finally, I never played Kenzie in my literal living life. So that is many reasons why I should be the president of my clan. Just because I'm cool like that. And I'm a hard worker. I don't get how some people who barely join the game anymore, they're only online like at once every 2 days. I hate Gus. Kill the wife, 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 kill the... Oh my god. Candy's cooked, Candy's cooked, Candy's cooked, Candy's cooked. Okay. Alright. That's why I don't like making videos anymore. I'm mad. I should be at the club. I'm literally... Look. Like, they only want this silver and the diamond and the old one. I'm literally always in Mythic in my group. Besides now, because I don't want to play ranked right now. Wait, I have a video idea. Playing ranked until I get to Mythic. Remember that series? I had like a lazy era. There's many thumbnails. Oh, I actually never tried Clancy's. Wait, I'm so not smart. Like, there's many ideas for the thumbnails. Like, the first 5 thumbnails were just, OG Derek thumbnail styles. And it was like and then we got the editor thumbnail style. They helped me edit my thumbnails because they were Sigma and they actually knew how to do thumbnails, unlike someone who's talking and yapping right now. I wonder who that is. They must be so cool. They must be a big back too, though. I thought I could shoot for rolls. Give me some. I'm mad. Like, and then we have the lazy era, cause that The meal they eat took me like 1 minute. No joke. Like the ranked one, it was just the mythic profile with 2 Chester icons, so they get just purple. It did. Guess what? There's this stuff there where I actually tried saying it was actually kind of good. But then I got not lazy and made a new thumbnail style, and it's the one we're using still today, cause I like it. I just take 3 photos, and then just put a word, and boom, sakalaka. Like it said, boom, sakalaka. What did you just call me? Sakalaka boom. But my name is Baba. No, it's kakalaka boom. Stop it the second we auto. You did what? You did what? You did something. Don't worry, Mom. It was just a trick. The thing I want to do is change my name to YT Derek Lifesaver. Because I could get more subscribers if people see a YouTuber. I might change my name to be shorter, Derek Lace. Look up it, yeah! Look up to Derek. I would want to be honest. My editor does the starting of the voice, like the "What's up, brother?" Derek Lifesaver back with another Brawl Stars video. Oh yeah! We are playing Brawl Stars. Yeah, my editor does that. Gear up those engines. The gear up those engines my editor does. Man, my editor does really a lot. Wow. And I try to get boxes. You try to kill... You see what Derek wants? I am gonna get... See what Derek wants? Derek's gonna get... What? I'm out so bad. I'm so bad. Wait. I need to be right back again. Wait a second. Okay, I'm back now, and then I saw how long the video is. It's 28 minutes, so gotta go. Bye. Bye-bye. Okay. This is future Derek, and the parts I had to cut out are made the video shorter and the audio like weird, so we'll still stay here. Yeah. Okay, like 1 more minute. This is my last round. So, don't mind that part. Don't mind that. Shh. Oh, wait! I actually cooked this round. Me getting killed by Griff was the worst part I ever seen in my entire existence. Okay. Now this is time to say God to... Wait, this is now... Wait. I'm yapping, gotta go. Bye.
Promise you you'll catch me.